Some users report that their Samsung Smart TV is not playing any sound through the built-in speakers, they're getting unclear or delayed sound, or the sound is playing through only left or the right speaker. So I'll show you some troubleshoots that will help you fix these issues. First, we will start by cold booting the TV. While your TV is still turned on, unplug the power cable and wait for around 30 seconds. This will clear the cache and fix software glitches. Then let's plug the cable back in and our TV will turn on automatically. Then your TV should play audio properly. If you still don't hear anything from the speakers, then we'll start by checking the sound output. So let's open the side panel, go to settings, then all settings. Then we'll go to sound and in the audio output. And here you can see that our Galaxy Buds is connected to our TV and that's why there's no sound output from the built-in speakers. So we will select it. Then from the list of outputs, we'll select TV speaker. Now you should get sound through your TV. So let's close it. If the problem persists, then we'll check the sound settings. So let's check the sound mode first. If you have set anything other than standard mode, then you can switch back to standard and it should fix your issue. Now we will check the expert settings. So let's open it, and if you're getting sound through one speaker, then you should check the balance first. If you see that the balance slider is not in the middle, then that's causing the issue. So we will adjust the slider until it says 0. Or you can also select reset to reset the balance slider. Then we'll close the settings. Here, you'll also find other settings that you may have set incorrectly. So to fix them, without going one by one, you can just reset all the sound settings and then your sound issues should be fixed. And then any audio issues such as delayed, unclear or laggy sound should be resolved. Now, for those of you who have connected an external device to your TV, such as PlayStation or Xbox console, and facing sound issues, then you need to check the sound settings on that device first. Also, if you're running any application or playing games on them, you also need to check the in-game audio settings for any misconfigurations. Lastly, if you have any external devices connected, but not using them, then disconnect them from your TV, and that should resolve the issue. Unfortunately, if none of this helped, then you may have some hardware issues. At this point, you should contact Samsung support and see what they suggest. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next one.